Friday. Thank you for joining me. Well, today we're going to be working in two different areas. The area behind me, and then we're going to turn and go over there and do a little decorating. And then that will wrap up my video. Oh, and before I forget, I want to wish you all a wonderful Mother's Day weekend. I hope you all are doing something special, and just know I'm thinking of all of you. I wanted to say it now because usually towards the end of my video, poof, I could just see myself forgetting to say that, and I would kick myself if I forgot. So happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful moms out there. So it's an absolute beautiful day out today. Oh, I can't stand it. It's so gorgeous. But anyway, we are gonna start decorating up top and work our way down. Well, since I am trying to add light and bright sort of around the house for summer, I have this chalkboard tray. I like the black on it because it's a nice backdrop. I also will tell you, I am very much a creature of habit. If I like something, I will just vary the look. And now I know a lot of you don't like signs, but I do. I do, and in my home, I'm gonna do what I like. So if you're not a sign girl, visualize this without a sign. Visualize this with something that you like that would make your eyes happy. So anyway, what I'm going to do is place this up on the top shelf, and then I'm going in with this sign, and I'm going to sit it right in the center. So believe it or not, I ran out of lemon plates, and I thought, I wonder if I could use these Walmart bowls and just lean them, because it will pick up this whole theme I'm working with. These are the colors. So I'm gonna try that. Because these are bowls that are not standing up the way I want them to, they kind of keep slipping down. So problem solved. I'm gonna get a little floral arrangement to stick right here at the base to hold it in place. I'm gonna hang this from one of the hooks to hold the center one in place. You have to get creative in decorating, right? Things don't always work out the way you want them to. So I think that looks kind of bright and cheery. It works, and it ties in with everything I have going on in this room. So for that, I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go in with this really pretty riser. And I'm going to elevate my little cage lamp because I'm all about ambiance. I have a little tea towel that I like to hang here. I'm going to bring in my cute little kitchen pig that I got on Amazon. Scoot this over. And I just wrote Sweet Summer. I'm not gonna be hanging anything right there. Normally I have my coffee mugs, but I took the coffee maker away just for a change. And anyway, so I've got this, and now I need to do something over here. I have this cute topiary. Now down here is going to be hard for me to film, so I'm just going to pop the decor items down below. So I have these two matching bowls that match those bowls up there, and I'm going to pop this right in here. Turned out really cute. It's homey, it's cozy. It also fits in with my lemon theme, so I like it. Plastic glassware from Walmart. It's easy for me to just grab and take out to the deck, bring a cold pitcher of something to drink out there with it. Okay, as we go over here and sort of, you know, round the corner, we have this space right here. Now, I got this on Amazon. I don't think it's available anymore. Gosh, it was such a good price. It was like $99. And when I saw it, I grabbed it. I think it was the last one left. I'll have to check and see if they have any more, but I love this little table. I love the detail. You know, it's super cute. But now I need to add some brightness to this corner. And the way I'm going to do that is with mirrors. We have this window right here, and I'm hoping if I put in the mirrors, it'll kind of brighten this space. We have our little herbs right here. They're doing super well, so we just kind of leave them there and then use them as we need with our cooking. But anyway, I am going to keep this super simple, believe it or not. I have this woven basket, and to this, I have some floral stems. Boom. I put a lantern there, and I'm going to place one there. Well, friends, that will wrap up my video for today. Short and sweet. This week was just shorter videos, but next week I believe they'll be a bit longer. So anyway, I thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up because it does help my channel during these summer months that are so rough. Anyway, have a beautiful Mother's Day, you all. I'll be thinking of all of you, and I will see you guys back here next week. Mwah. Bye, guys. Oh, and friends, I've been seeing prayers for Angie circulating on YouTube. She's going through some health issues right now. She's a fellow YouTube creator, and she posted that she's having some health issues. Please keep her in your thoughts and prayers. I believe in the power of prayer.